Okay, so hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about list data type. I mean list data structure in Python. We have seen the introduction of the list and we have seen the creation of list object. So what are the different ways? These are the different ways to create the list objects. So now today we will see the examples of each one. Okay, so example one, how we can create list using square bracket. So it is very simple. With the help of this square bracket, you can create the list. So this is the one example we have already completed. Okay. The second example is we can create the list with the help of list function. Okay, list method we can use in order to create the list. Okay. So for example, I am writing here s is equals to Python is easy. Okay, and I want to convert this string into what? List. So how you can create the list? You will write list method. Okay, and here you will write the string object. Okay, so when you print s, so it will display the string object. When you print l1, so it will display the list. Okay, so as you can see here, this is what? This is string and this is what? List. Each alphabet is stored separately inside the list. Okay, so with the help of list method, we can create the list. Okay, another is split method. Okay, we can use split method in order to create the list. So example 3. Okay, so for example, this is my string. I can use split method. How can I use? For example, I'm writing here L1 as dot split. Okay, so if I'm writing s dot split means it will split my string into what? It will split my string into list. So if I will print L1, so you can see it is printing, it is okay, it is splitting my string into what? String. Okay, so if you will check the type of L1, so it will be list type. Okay, so like that, we can create list with the help of split method as well, right? An example for next is what? Eval function. Okay, so with the help of eval function, we can create the list. Okay, let's see how. Okay, so for example, I'm writing here s is equals to eval, and I will take input from the user. Okay, and I will display the message enter a list. Okay, so after that I will print s. Okay, after that I will print type of s. Okay, so let me just execute. It is asking enter the list. So I will create here list like 10. I will write here 10, comma 20, comma A, comma B. Okay, so this list I have created. After pressing enter, my list is created and it is displaying. This is what list type. Okay, so with the help of eval also, we can create the list. Okay, so these methods we have seen by using square brackets, by using list method, by using split, by using eval, and another way is what? List comprehension. Okay, so how we can use list comprehension to create the list? Okay, so we will use list comprehension here. Let me just write here s is equals to I for I in range 1 to 5. Okay, so this is what list comprehension. With the help of this, we can create the list. Okay, so it is generating elements 1 to 4 because it will not execute till 5. That's why it is executing till 4, and it is printing. What is the type? Type is list. Okay, so this is what list comprehension. With the help of this, we can also create the list. Okay, and after that we have, okay, so we understood how to create list object by using these methods. Now let's understand how to access the list elements, list object. Okay, accessing elements from list. Okay, so how we can access elements from the list? So what are the ways? One is directly directly we can print the list, and the second one is index concept. We can use index concept, okay, because list allow indexing as well, and we can use slice operators we can use, and the fourth one is we can use while loop, okay, and we can use for loop, right? So these are the string accessing methods. Okay, so let's see how we can access the string with these methods. Okay, so let me just create one string. For example, I'm creating list. Okay, I'm creating here a b and cc and 111 and 22. Okay, so this list I have created. Now let's see how we can access. Okay, so each value has its index. So a has index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, this value has index 3, and this value has index 4, right? So if you want to print it, access it directly, you just type here L, print L directly. So it will print all the string data directly. Okay, the second way is what? What is second way? Indexing concept. So you can use index. I want to print L1 third is index. Okay, so which one is third index? This, and it will print triple one, right? So let me just execute it. So it is printing triple one, right? And the second is, I mean, the third one is slice operator. Okay, in slice operator, we can mention like from here to here, I want to access values. So like that, we can mention print. We will write here L, okay, and we will write the start, and we will write end. So if you want to access this all string, so what is the string value? I mean, what is the index of triple C? 2, but you will write the 3. So when you write the third index, so it will not access the third index element. It will access till 2. Okay, so stop -1, it executes. So that's why I want to access all the values till 2 index. That's why I'm writing here what? Third index. Okay, let me just close it, run it. So it is executing, it is coming. Okay, so this is what slicing. Okay, next way is what? We can use while loop. Okay, so how you will use while loop? First, we will write index. Index is from 0. I want to access all the values till here. Okay, so how you can access? Just write the while loop. Okay, while index. Okay, index is less than or is equals to, okay, 3. Then access what? Print L index. Access all the indexes element. and each time increase the index value. Okay, so this is the way we can use in order to access the list using while. So let me just execute it. So it is printing AA, BB, CC, and triple one. So this much we wanted to access, and it's printing. And after that, we have another way, which is for loop. So we can access the string with the help of for loop for I in range, or you can simply write here for I in L. Okay, and you can print here I. So it will access all the elements from the string. Let me just execute it. So as you can see here, it is accessing till triple two. Okay. So these are the ways we can follow in order to access the string elements or string objects. All right. So we have discussed like these ways creation of object. We have seen accessing element from the list also. So thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss more concepts in detail. So thank you everyone.